Well, I got a lot of questions about this DMSB from my long division video. What does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers have to do with long division? Well, here it is. On divide, how many 5s can I get out of 4? That's my division. Well, 0. 5 is greater than 4. So I put a 0, and then I multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. I put it down below the number I just worked with. Then I subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. Then I bring down the next digit, which is a 7. So now I'm left with how many 5s can I get out of 47? Now I'd argue that what I just did was all dumb and not necessary and lacks any sort of real mathematical thought. But some teachers insist on seeing this. I don't know. So how many 5s can you get out of 47? That's my division. I know that 9 times 5 is 45, so 9 is part of my answer. Then I multiply. 9 times 5 is 45, even though I just said I knew it before. Then you subtract. 47 minus 45 is 2. Then you bring down the next digit, and it's a 5. Then repeat the process. I divide. How many 5s can I divide into 25? The answer is 5. Then I can do 5 times 5, which is still 25. Then I subtract it off of part of my original dividend, and I get 0. That means there's nothing left. My answer, nothing left to bring down. My answer is just 95. So, I mean, that works, and we all learned it. The process again for the students in the back of the room. 679 divided by 5. How many 5s can I divide out of 6? Now it's 1. Or my answer. Multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Then I subtract. 6 minus 5, I get 1. Then I bring down the 7 and repeat the process. Divide how many 5s into 17? It's 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then I subtract. I get 2. Then I bring down the next digit. How many 5s can I get out of 29? It's 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. Then I subtract. 29 minus 25 is 4. Then I've got a remainder of 4. Now, for me, I think that's a horrible way to end the answer, but so many kids learn that way. They definitely should not. They should either write it as 4 parts out of 5 as a fraction, or work on learning how to break up a whole number into tenths and hundredths and so on.